We have made it to Alestine's, apparently the single best restaurant in town. And all the cooking is done right outside of this school bus right here. Oh, good. Two. Here we are inside Alestine's. Look at that beautiful, beautiful hair. But also look at that interesting ceiling they have. And Soph, I'm panning over to you, unless you say no. This is apparently the best restaurant in town. The best of 4, as per Yelp reviews. But I like it so far. It's very unique. In the shed, and they cook in a bus. The end. I really like how they deck the whole area out. Now the best part so far is they have craft beer from the neighboring territory. That's good. The first one that came was a block of ice. I could not pour a damn thing. But the cold would be bothering me anyway. So, do you want to build a snowman? Ooh, we have bison chili and Eskimo Donuts. That is very good. Cheers. Thank you. I like that.
It does sort of remind me of Bannock.
There you go. Have some Eskimo Bannock there, Q.